Hi everybody, it's me, Chef Jacoby Ponder, the founder and owner of Chefpreneur Academy. And today I'm going to talk to you real quick on some points of the purpose of Chefpreneur Academy and our goal. So the first thing we ask ourselves, what is a chefpreneur? Some of the characteristics of a chefpreneur is hard worker, motivated, love to stay focused, goal oriented. Not only you want to be a chef, but you're looking to be a business owner. You want to actually own restaurants. You want to actually get out there and understand the importance of branding and marketing strategies and what does it take, kind of going what I like to call beyond the plate. Beyond the plate is a technique that most chefs do not know how to utilize. You have the back of the house chefs who focus on food and primarily food procurement. Then you usually have your owners. What I want to do is I want to amalgamate the two and make you a owner as well as a chef. So today I'm going to talk to you about some quick points about being a chefpreneur. So the first point I want to make about being a chefpreneur is work on self. Working on self looks like you're going to be a self-starter. You want to be motivated. You want to get out of bed with a purpose. You want to awake and rise to the occasion. Set your goal, set your mind to purpose, learn to think on paper. One of my guys I like to quote is Mr. Jim Rohn. Mr. Jim Rohn gave me a lot of insight listening to him on chef starter and working on yourself. And that's one of the key factors about being a chefpreneur. In order to be a chefpreneur and be successful, you want to learn to work on yourself. Now, what are some of the other key factors of being a chefpreneur? The other key factor is being creative. You want to focus on the 5 inner senses, and one of the 5 inner senses leading to creativity is imagination. So you want to have an image in your head. And the image in your mind is what you're trying to bring to the forefront. That's part of the creativity of being a chefpreneur. One of the things is you have to be energetic. You have to always stay with energy. And unlike some classes or some tutorials, I like to teach about the energy inside of you. But this way, the energy inside of you. Is this a religious class? No. But I like to focus on some of the key fundamentals that is taught through religion is inspiring, being God inspired, the gift placed inside of you as a chefpreneur. So another thing about being a chefpreneur is a certain level of optimism. Now, optimism is seeing the glass half full, right? So seeing the glass half full means there's a lot of opportunities available. You want to take chances on yourself. So with that optimism, you have to create what's called a chance. A chance will give you just opportunity altogether. So as chefpreneur, we teach you to take chances on yourself. Bet on yourself. Bet your last dollar on yourself. Other key thing is being frugal. Being frugal. Understanding money mechanics. How a dollar works. And through, I told you before, working on self and getting the image of the money. So we don't focus on the money. We focus on you, the value, the brand, the person. And the money comes to you by increasing your value. Another key thing is being a team player. Understand the importance of assembling a team, working together. As a chefpreneur, you may not have all the resources together, but assembling a team, assembling a person that can be a videographer, a person can do your marketing for you, a person for your social media page, so you can focus on what it is you want to do, building a team. So being a team player, we teach this to our military students alike because being a team player is one of the goals you have to understand with being in the military, because one goal is to defend our country, right? So we teach leadership and team building skills. Leadership is very important. Being a leader, leading from the rear, having your people understand that you do not have to be out front necessarily every single time. A lot of people are not born to be leaders, or leaders born or leaders created. That is the key question. Some say leaders are born. The leadership ability is in all of us. Here at Chefpreneur Academy, we try to pull that out of you. So at Chefpreneur Academy, because we deal with military, it's not necessarily your rank in this classroom. It's about what I see in the individual. So sometimes we will have the lowest ranking member in the classroom leading the entire class. This is to instill in them the capability of becoming a leader. Leading from the rear, There's one thing that I learned in the military is leading from the rear. Becoming a great leader, leading from the front, sometimes you may miss something. Leading from the rear gives you the opportunity to see the whole entire picture. So here at Chefpreneur Academy, that's what we focus on, leadership ability. Taking our troops, taking our sailors, teaching them the leadership capability within them without necessarily having the rank just yet. So we're preparing them. It's a purpose for being a leader, right? So what I like to call a preparatory positioning, and that's what Chefpreneur do here at Chefpreneur Academy, is teach leadership styles, various styles of leadership. One of the key things I like to talk about is how does being a leader in the military translate to the civilian sector? So while you may be a great leading petty officer in the military or a great divisional leader in the military, coming out of the military, how does that translate to working in the kitchen and being what we call executive chef or a sous chef? These are all leadership positions. So at Chefpreneur, we like to focus on the individual and pull out the leadership capability. Another thing we talk about is being enthusiastic. Always be enthusiastic. Always start the day by being an enthused person. All right, so being enthusiastic, but it's one thing we must remember. Enthusiasm is not necessarily excitement. Excitement, by definition, gives off a sense of anxiety. We don't want to be anxious about anything, right? So we want to be eager. Always want to be eager. Eager versus excitement expresses a different level of tenacity, I want to say. So enthusiastic is one of the key things focused on as Chefpreneur. We make the people enthused about coming to this class, having fun, being excited, right? So excitement, eager. Never be excited, always be eager. Here at Chefpreneur, we teach you the difference between excitement and being eager. Excitement gives you anxiety. We don't want that. We want to be calm, make the right decisions, make smart decisions. We want to be eager, always be eager. So enthusiasm, eager, right? So at Chefpreneur Academy, we teach a slew of things focusing on the individual, how to obtain money, how to be a team player. We talk about the energy, so we touch on holistic things as well as the material world, working on self, getting the image in your mind. And one of the things that I like to tell my class is the first person that invented a car had never seen one previously. What does that mean? That means get an image in your mind, put pen to paper, and have a purpose. This is what Chefpreneur do. This is what we're talking about, right? So between hardworking, being creative, being energetic, being an optimist, being frugal, being a team player, leadership, and of course, being enthused, start the day with purpose. Here at Chefpreneur, this is what we do. Chefpreneur is basically someone who's been trained and educated in the culinary field, but does not have the necessary assets to obtain a business. This is what we teach here at Chefpreneur. I want to read to you our mission statement for Chefpreneur Academy. The mission of Chefpreneur Academy is to educate, inspire, and to motivate cooks to become professional chefs, working, thriving, and expanding their gifts to reap the reward of their strategically utilized talent. That's exactly what I do here at Chefpreneur Academy. I educate, in the sense of the word idiku, to pull out what is in and to expose to the world. I'm Chef Jay Ponder, the founder of Chefpreneur Academy. Thank you.